Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show how to lock TikTok app in iPhone. Let's go. If you want to keep your TikTok app private and secure, locking it can help with this lock. No one can access your TikTok without your permission. It's a simple way to protect your videos and messages from prying eyes. First of all, locate the TikTok app on your home screen. It should be easy to spot if you use it regularly. Once you found it, long press on the TikTok app icon. Simply hold it down until a menu pops up with various options. Note it that this feature is available only in iOS 18. Since I am on iOS 17, so this feature is not available. In this menu, tap on Require Face ID. This option allows you to lock access specifically for this application. After selecting that option, tap Require Face ID. Once more to confirm that you want to lock the app using this feature. And just like that, the TikTok app is now locked with Face ID. From now on, every time someone attempts to open the locked TikTok app, the iPhone will scan their face and verify if it's really you accessing it. If not recognized, they'll be denied entry. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.